I just finished my online class. I feel like making Play-Doh today, so let's go ask my mom. Mama?
Yes.
Can I make Play-Doh today? She said after she works. Yes! Hi guys! I'm back with another video and I'm gonna teach you how to make Play-Doh. And then we're gonna make some colors with these three. First we need flour, and then we need some sea salt, and then we need some cream of tartar, and then we need some hot water. This water is not hot yet, and also baby oil, and also don't forget the food coloring. My mama prepared these. Start out with the dry ones. And it's time to put them in the bowl. Now we're gonna mix it. So I'm using a rice spoon. This is hot water, but it's okay because it's safe because I'm using this cup. And now let's pour it. Just save some. Okay? And then it will look like that. And then the oil. Just carefully do it. Careful. All of that. And then mixing time. Now we have this. Just knead it with your hands until it gets smooth or Play-Doh texture. It's like Mama, it's like a slimy texture. Slimy texture. I'll let my mama fix it. Hi guys, I have these things now, and we're gonna put food coloring in the holes. Now, Mama, do the
One eternity later.
This is red, a primary color, and this is orange. It was mixed with yellow and red, and this is yellow, and then this is the yellow is a primary color, and this is green. It was mixed with yellow and blue, and then this is just a primary color that's blue, and then this is purple. It was supposed to gonna be it's gray, but it was supposed to gonna be purple. It failed. This one. And also it was mixed with red and blue, and that's how we made all these colors.
Later.
Yeah, it works perfectly, Mama. First. This is like a drum. Wiggly. Bye. Subscribe. Don't forget to eat your bananas and thank you. you for watching. Bye. Woo!